Hello and welcome back to my channel. So we are on week 5 project life, and I'm kind of sick of the January cards thus far. So I'm going through my large stack of project life cards. I mean, it's kind of insane how many of these I have, but I do have a lot. So I'm just going through every single one of them, trying to figure out which one I want. I know I really want like a journaling one because I want to write about one of the date nights that Zach and I went on. So that's mainly what I'm looking for at the moment. And in the stash, I already had like this home one, which I wanted to use because I figured, you know what, making like one full 4x6 would be great. And I am kind of sorry. I think I just need to figure out my white balance a little bit better because I think it washes out a little bit. So sorry about that. I will fix that. One thing I did fix though, if y'all notice the angle, does this angle look better to you guys? Zach kind of like MacGyvered this, not the word altogether, to hopefully make it look a little bit better. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, going through my letters because I realize I don't have enough to write week 5. So I'm going to use this yellow and putting it in. You can see this card a little bit better. There's a lot to journal on, so you can just like circle the day, write the week and stuff. So I did write a bit about the week. So then I was looking at my phone, putting down the dates, and I put it down and I realized, oh, this is not the right dates. I'm on the wrong week. So I went ahead and made this, and I've already forgotten to use it. Bummer. I just had to find another card, and I wanted one with a little bit of journaling. So I found one very similar and then just moved over all of the week 5 that I had made. Just kind of annoying, but you know, it honestly worked out just fine. And thankfully the letters peeled off perfectly as well. Wanted to write Home Sweet Home with my white StazOn ink, but for some reason I don't think this ink is the ink I should be using because you can barely see it. So a little annoyed with that. So then I kind of went my own embellishment, used the same ink, stamped it on some white paper, cut it out, and then decided to add more embellishments to this picture right below her. There was the ephemera that said like nap, and then I added some corkboard pieces. It's kind of what I added to everything to try and make it just look all cohesive. The corkboard that came with the January kit was unfortunately pretty fragile, so I just wanted to see if I should replace it with anything. I ended up not doing it and just cutting off the ends, putting that right in the paper, and I journaled my whole entire Saturday, what I ended up doing. I went out to eat. I also tried to write like in a different font every single time. It was just like this morning routine card that came in the kit. So I thought that was just kind of fun. I had some extra space, so I figured I would do it. And then I'm also going to journal on the other card. Basically just wrote all about John Mulaney. We wanted to go see a sold out show at the Chicago Theater. And then I used more of the yellow stickers and put LOL. I'm looking at the baby picture right now, trying to figure out what I want to put in that corner. I really wish that word wonder, whatever it was big enough or small enough that I could put that there. But I'm just trying to figure out what I could put where my knee's at because like that knee's unnecessary. Now I'm just taking one card and then putting one 4x6 card next to my 4x6 photo to make, or I guess 3x4 photo by 3x4 to make one 4x6. I really like the way that this ended up turning out because I got to use the card that I wanted to use, but then also put down the listing. I took a screenshot on my phone and basically just put like, hey, we're under contract, like how exciting, and journaled about that. And then now I'm just looking for some word stickers to add to literally any of my photos. I love having word stickers. I think it's just a really great way to use them all throughout your album. And to be honest, I have a lot of them. Now I'm just looking to see if there's any ephemera I could cut up, or just really in general looking for more. And I'm going to add this label, and then I think I wrote, oh, offer accepted, and then I just wrote about kind of the process, how we're excited that they accepted our offer on the place, and yeah. At this point, this is pretty much what my weeks have been. We haven't really been doing much, spending much money at all because of this whole scenario, so I don't know, February is going to be so boring. But yeah, I'm right now just trying to find something to add to this. I didn't really find any ephemera for it, but I did find these word stickers that I'm just going to put Super Bowl down. And our friends came over for the Super Bowl and we watched it. I mean, nothing too crazy, had some drinks, hung out. Me and the girl gossiped because you know what? That's what we do. And I really actually like how this turned out. And then I put a little word sticker right at the bottom. And I think I'm trying to see if I can't find a label or something to write on to just write about the Super Bowl. So just journaling very quickly on that. I wish this was just a little bit bigger. I probably could have wrote a little bit more, but that's fine. I put that in. Probably talked about how the Eagles won, and now I'm just trying to find a little bit of ephemera for this. Again, I was trying to use the cork pieces if I could, so I think I'm just like looking through everything right now. Excuse my arm. I found a little heart, and yeah, I'm just going to put this on here. Be careful with these little stars. They are very delicate. And then I added it to the photo, added a little bit, and called it a day. And this is what all of my layout looks like. It's a little whitewash. I'm sorry. I will, yeah. I'm sorry. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.